Good morning, YouTube. Today is Thursday, June the 28th. Time is about 10:20 a.m. and making a little bit of progress on this here. Now, this is obviously not part of the hydraulics here, but this is just to keep me from dropping stuff in there. These three bolts broke off. Previous owner, I think whenever they drug it out from where it was at, they just grabbed onto the boom and started pulling, and then this pressure, I think, exceeded whatever it's supposed to be, and it popped all three of these bolts off. So these are the three little pieces that was still left in there. What it is, I took this small chisel here and hammered little marks on them. Then I used my impact driver set and got all three of them out, so with very little hassle. So it was a nice little trick. I got some replacements and this replacement O-ring. I'm going to go ahead and get this part repaired. So this is part of the swing boom. So can't be much more happier than that. I do think water got in here, because whenever I first checked it out, it looked like there was water in there. So I might try to get my fluid extractors and try to get to the bottom there and suck out any water, if there is any in there, and put this back together. So just a quick update. Oh, and yesterday I got the oil changed. I changed the oil and I got it to roll over about a half a turn before it stopped cranking. So then there was a little bit of water in the bottom. See, it looks kind of cleanish. I put a little bit too much oil in it, but it's because the oil filter is empty. So once you start it up and crank it over, it will be where it's supposed to be. I also opened up the transmission and rear end and found there's just a little bit of water intrusion in there. So really not a whole lot for being a machine that looks like it's been outside most of its life. So far so good. Tried to do right out.